Okay, so I have this version of Photoshop Elements. I think it's 12 loaded in my computer. I have not used it before. I just opened it. So let me try and go through this. When I go to my file, I see this option here that says Open in Camera Raw. I'm not sure why you don't see that. I don't know, so I'm not sure, but let me just go, let's just go to Open, because that's not Camera Raw. I'm going to go to any photo I have not worked with before and open it and see what it gives me or what my options are. This looks like it's still opening the Camera Raw dialog, and that might just be because I've got that software loaded in my computer. I'm not sure, but basically it gives me the option to edit all of the parts of this photo that I didn't get right when I was shooting. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some changes here, and then just kind of open it to see what we're working with, or what I can do with it to walk you through whatever it is. It looks like I'm missing some of my tools right here. Normally this bar goes all the way across with all kinds of different things. This is a fairly limited version. Let me see, it says basic right here. So Camera Raw defaults, I don't know what all this means. Camera, I don't have any idea what this means. Anyway, it looks like it's a basic version, so I'm just gonna kind of go through, readjust some of this real quick, and then just open the files so that I can see if I'm looking at the same thing you're looking at. This is not where I would finish it, but let's just open it just for time purposes. Okay, so there she is. She's open. Let's see, what is this? This is my Magic Wand Quick Selection tool. Okay, so this is this is that same tool that I was working with before, where it lets you kind of drag a box around your subject. And if you get too much there, then there should be a... Let's see, if we want to go to, what do we want? I have no idea. Add, subtract. Okay, there's a little box down here at the bottom, subtract from selection. So let's go to that. That should let me drag my box back around my subject and try this. Okay. And then we're going to go back to add, and sorry, I just realized the TV's on really loud. I'm watching Young and the Restless reruns that I didn't get to see, and Dorothy's barking. But okay, so anyway, so we've grabbed her. The edge is not refined. Let's see here. I'm going to try this refine edge and see what comes up. Do smart radius. Hi, hun. Let it select a couple of pixels, smooth the edge, and click OK. Then go to copy, file, new. I guess blank file we'll try. The background contents say white. I'm going to change that to transparent. Click OK. Not supported. Convert depth. We're going to try this, and then edit, and then paste. Okay, so that gives me my really poorly done Dorothy. I'm going to move her up to where I want her. Now from there, I would say you could use your eraser, or why is it not giving me, it's not letting me. Wait, what did it say? Because no layers are selected. Okay, so I need to select some layers. Where's my layers? Image. Edit. Select all. Edit. Copy merged, file new, blank file, and OK, and paste. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Okay, so let me see if my eraser will then... Okay, now my eraser is working. Where's my eraser size? Oh, down here. Okay, so it wasn't... That's about okay. You could also probably do your magic wand tool. Is it in here somewhere? It's a quick selection tool. I have no idea where the magic wand tool is. I'm going to have to replay with this, so this is going to suck. But anyway, I should be able to use my magic wand. It would select this whole area for me, and I can just delete it. But we'll do the long way around. I'm going to delete, erase all this junk that we don't want. Okay, and so let's just assume we've got two dogs here. So I'm going to go to select all, edit, copy, file, new blank file. Okay, I'm going to switch this to inches because I don't deal in pixels. So it's 7 by 5. Let's do 9 by 7 and click OK. So that's going to give me a much larger blank file. I can then do paste. That's going to give me Dorothy. I'm going to resize her, move her where I want her. Okay, so now let's go to this Dorothy. Let's just assume this is Bella. I'm going to select all. I'm going to I don't know what I want to copy her. Copy merged. I don't know. We'll try this. Okay, now I'm going back to this Dorothy, and let's do paste. So now I should have two Dorothys here. I'm going to resize her. So we're going to just assume that this is Bella and Dorothy, or Vegas and Orion. I've got them both here. I'm merging them, or I'm editing them into one single photo. From there, I would be able to go to my let's see, go to where I have my PNG files. I apologize because I'm just not familiar with this program, so let me look here. Here, we'll use this hat. I'm going to open it. We're going to scale that down. I'm going to right click and see what it gives me. Gives me nothing. Okay, so let's do edit, select all, edit, copy merged. I'm going to go back to my Dorothy and Dorothy, edit, and I'm going to click paste. That gives me that hat, which I can then sort of resize, move as needed. So then in theory I should be able to go to my original layer, which I don't see layers here. It's probably going to be an organizer. I don't know what I'm doing here. What I'm looking for is some sort of layers. Oops, that's not what I need. No, I don't want this. Stop. I have no idea what I just did. Okay. Layers. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to guess this to be layer 2. So we're going to go to that. I'm going to try and find my... I'm going to burn... That's dodge. There should be... Burn should be right behind that. Where's burn? View. Sorry, I'm looking, I don't know. Usually there's more tools right here. Dodge. Oh, right here. Duh. Okay, you gotta be smarter than the program, I guess. Okay. So I'm gonna go to my Dorothy. I'm gonna add in this little shadow around the hat. Sorry about that. Then we'll go to, let me find a blur tool. Going to make my tool bigger. I'm going to blur the edge of, well, I need to be on the hat layer. Blur the edge of this hat a little bit. I probably should actually do a little bit of erasing on it, but we'll just blur it for now. Okay, I'm going to merge it down with a right click. I'm going to merge it down onto just her. That should then allow me to, this unit is one particular thing. Transform, I'm going to see if I can flip her horizontal somehow. Rotate, maybe? Okay, flip horizontal. So if I put her here and move this one here, oh, that's her again. Okay, move this one here, move her here. I could then make them look like if I put a box or something down in front of them, they were looking at the same thing. This totally doesn't work, but okay. So then if I was going to do that, then on this particular Dorothy, what I would go ahead and do is I would also use my my dodge tool again, and I would put a little bit of a shadow on her head that makes it look like this Dorothy shadow, and that's set up way too high. So let me do that. Undo and undo and undo. Okay. So the exposure is too high, so let's drop this back down to about there. Let's see. That gives me a lot less shadowing. Still not wonderful, but okay. And let's go to open. I'm going to open another PNG file. I'm going to see if I can find let's do some breads. No, it's not, because those aren't already. I don't have those already adjusted. Let's open something else that I don't have to mess with. Let's open some. Let's open here. Oh, let's try this hamburger. Let's see if it's already PNG. Nope. Crap. Sorry. Just trying to save some time here, and now I'm wasting time. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, that one, I've already got that one edited. Let's reduce the size down. And then select all, edit, copy, merged onto, I think it's this one. And then edit, paste. Okay, so we got some breads. Normally, if you hold down your shift tool, you can do that so it stays proportional. Okay, anyway, so that's really ugly. Not good at all. So let's do this. Let's select all, edit, image, layer, merge visible. So now I've got one big image, which I can do whatever I want with. And then edit from there. So anyway, I know that's probably really not very helpful, but that's the only adjustments I could figure out how to make in Elements. Sorry about that.